Brother Ratul will definitely understand one day that we can neither marry nor break a marriage at will.
Shri, don't get influenced by her nonsensical ideas, please. Look, I promise that nobody will force you to go back to Ratul. I'll take care of it. Look, I agree that a blunder was made, but you can't suffer lifelong for it, right?
Brother Sid, listen to me. What are you saying? Grandpa won't survive if he hears this. What about Grandma? No, Brother Sid, somebody should talk to Ratul.
Why? Tell me. Why do you have to talk to him? Did Ratul call you?
No, Aunt Appa. He was busy with work. He said that he wouldn't get time to call. Hey, Mithai,
Yes?
what shall I serve to Rajiv?
Hold on, Sri. You don't have to be so hospitable all of a sudden. I understand everything. I am being very clear, I don't support what Ratul has done to you. And I have informed my mom in Durgapur about it as I don't support it. Mom has asked Ratul to meet her. And she has told us to go to Durgapur as soon as possible with you. Go, get ready. We'll leave for Durgapur in a car as soon as you get ready. Go on. We need to teach Ratul a good lesson.
This is a good proposal. I have been praying to Lord day and night that Ratul and Shri should patch up and get back together. Go and pack your bags, Shri.
No, Grandma. I won't go anywhere. And Rajiv? Tell me why? Why will Aunt Sushmita call Ratul and scold him? Ratul will think that I have complained to all of you, right?
Shri, I don't think so Ratul will think. Listen, it's better you talk and sort out the things. It's common for couples to have a difference of opinion. Don't overthink. Ratul is a mature person.
And we are also with you. We'll talk to Ratul and tell him that you did not complain.
Please, Nanda. Please. I don't wish to go anywhere. I won't be able to face her.
What's happening in this house? Her mother-in-law is calling her, but she's not ready to go. Appa, please look into this matter. This doesn't seem good to me. I don't know what Lord has planned for them. I'm utterly confused.
Rajiv, look, please leave Shri alone for some time. Please don't force her. Grandpa, it's a request to leave Shri alone for some time, please. You please try to understand her. She doesn't say anything, but within her she is... Chuck that. You... Look, it's not necessary to reconcile right now. We can do that later also, right?
No, Sid. If they don't reconcile now, they will never be able to do it. They are going through a serious crisis. I'm going to see Shri. I can't let Shri and Ratul's marriage fall apart right before our eyes. That's not fair. I can't let this happen. I won't let this happen.
Nanda! Nanda, please don't go away like this. We can find a solution. Brother Rajiv, please come upstairs with me. We need to talk to Shri. She's very, very upset. Brother Rajiv, if we force Shri to do anything right now, the outcome won't be good. Please come with me. Please come.
Grandson? Grandson, please tell me what? What has happened? Do you know anything? I mean, Mithai, do you know? I'm very much worried for Shritima.
Grandpa, you please relax. Nothing has happened. We are here to help her. You please relax, okay? Why are you getting so stressed? You give her some time. That's all she needs. You come and sit. Aunt, please tell Mithai to give Grandpa tea or whatever he needs.
Uh, uh, don't worry, Sid. I am fine. Do you know what? Your grandma and I feel ashamed when we see any of you in pain.
Come.
Mithai, what has happened? Tell me.
Auntie Upa, Sister Nipa, Brother Ratul is not able to forget Nipa. Sister Shritoma has accidentally shared this truth with us today. After hearing that Siddharth told her not to go to her marital home. Is that possible? Sister Shri's life can't be like Mithai's life. No. Auntie Upa, Auntie, please speak to Siddharth. Please speak to him. Please tell him.
Mithai, wipe your tears. Now you will have to do something. You have to convince Shri. Yes, you are Shri's sister-in-law. You can convince Shri. Mithai, you will have to tell Shri that being stubborn won't be good for anyone. She needs to be with Ratul. Differences between married couples are common, but the differences get sorted with time. Shri must understand it. Look, Mithai, don't delay any further. You have to do this job. You'll convince Shri. Won't you be able to do it for me? Please? I'll serve tea to Dad.
Grandpa, believe me, nothing has happened to Shri. She's fine. Grandpa, marriage isn't so important that we can let it ruin a person's life. Please understand this. Shri has a life. She has a career. She'll be focused. She'll be happy. Grandpa, what problem do you all have? You all give a lot of priority to things like marriage and divorce. You give unnecessary importance.
So what's important for you? How to humiliate your family, right? You spoke nonsense at the court, ruined Mrs. Roy's reputation, announced that you won't follow court's order. What else do you want to do? Why I'm even talking to you? Who am I saying all this? You're playing the same game with us, Dad. You only called Mrs. Roy and suggested divorce for them, but now it seems that you are against this divorce. My reputation is going for a toss.
Sir, can't you see how upset Grandpa is? Why are you shouting?
Siddharth, don't try to interfere in between. I want to clear this matter with Dad. Dad, please. Make your plans about Siddharth's divorce clear to me. Make it clear to me, what do you want?
What do you think, Samresh? What can I wish for?
You want your grandson to say that he doesn't wish to get divorced. You want him to accept this marriage. Your grandson is not following the court's orders, but he always keeps saying that he doesn't break the law. He follows all rules and regulations, yet he refused to get a mutual divorce for the same reason. You're watching everything and enjoying the drama, but you're not speaking a word.
Enough, sir. Grandpa is already stressed. Why are you unnecessarily accusing him? Why are you blaming Grandpa for my decision? I refused to go to the marriage counselor as I didn't believe in the concept of marriage. How many times shall I explain this?
Listen to me, Siddharth. If Dad is stressed, it's not because of me. It's because of you. Dad, Mrs. Roy wants to know if your grandson is planning to dismiss this case or not. I could never discipline him only because of you. And so he has become so audacious. What's all this audacity for? And you are responsible for his misbehavior.
Samresh! Samresh? Do you think that your son is ill-mannered? You think I'm responsible for it? You want to say that I ruined your life?
Grandpa, relax. What are you saying? What are you saying? Please don't react. Please, Grandpa. Okay, fine. If you think that I've gone wayward because of Grandpa and I must consult the marriage counselor for the reputation of our family, then I will do it. I'll do this formality. But you won't speak a word to Grandpa after this. I won't tolerate it.
Keep quiet. Please keep quiet. Samresh, I plead to you. This is a home. Dad.
Lord, all this is happening because of Mithai. It's happening because of my marriage. Mithai is the cause of all problems.
Okay, Mr. Samresh. I'll make an appointment with the marriage counselor. Look, Mr. Samresh, we have to follow the court's orders, right? In the second hearing, I'll get the permission for the divorce. Okay.
What did he say, Mom? Will Sid go to the counselor's office? Mom, I can't take this anymore now.
Seriously, Auntie. Our work life has gone for a toss because of this divorce case.
I never expected Sid to change so much, Torsha. Forget it. Mr. Samresh said that Sid was ready to follow the court order. They will go for marriage counseling before the second hearing. We must ensure that we are in a better position in the second hearing.
Better position. But how is that possible? If they consult the marriage counselor, he'll try to improve their relationship, isn't it?
We must ensure right from the beginning that it doesn't happen, Tess. Understood? Usually they ask if the couple is ready to give their relationship another chance. They give them 6 months' time. If the couple isn't ready for reconciliation, they send a report to the counselor office. After that, the case is reopened.
We must ensure that Siddharth doesn't accept the offer of reconciliation.
No, Som. It's not Sid. We must ensure that Mithai doesn't accept this offer.
Mithai. But why will Mithai refuse? It will be a golden opportunity for her.
You know what, Tess? If anybody loves someone very much, then he can make sacrifices for her. We have to explain to Mithai that she should refuse the offer of reconciliation for his well-being, which will be done by you. And Som will also help you. I will explain everything to both of you. Revati Roy won't let Pratul Biswas defeat her, especially when the future of Revati Roy's daughter depends on this divorce case.
Look, if my daughter has really made any mistake, then please tell me. I won't stay here with my daughter. I'll go to my parents' house with my daughter.
Aunt, I can't stop myself from saying this. If anything has happened between Shri and Nipa, then they will settle it. That's been the norm in this family, right? Why will anything new happen today, tell me? And why are you talking about leaving this house with Nipa?
Sid, the situation is not what it used to be. The things that happened here in the past won't happen anymore. You don't consider marriage to be an important life decision, but it's true that marriage is a social function. Though nobody is saying anything clearly, but I understand that my Nipa is the cause of some problems between Shri and Ratul. That's why I suggest we leave this house and go.
No, Aunt. What are you saying? Shri, tell me, is this true?
No. Brother Rajiv, this is not true. Actually, Sister Nipa is blaming herself for Sister Shritoma's plight. She can understand that she has had some misunderstandings with Brother Ratul. Aunt, please believe me, nobody said anything to Sister Nipa.
Mom? Will you please tell me why you're scolding Shri? You consider your mother guilty for everything, right? I can understand what you are going through, Nipa.
Sister Nipa, tell me, why are you suffering within yourself, sister?
Mithai, I continuously feel that if I didn't make that big mistake, then Shri's life would have been better. She didn't even want to get married. She is not a bad student like me. She had a bright future. But her life is a mess only because of me. Hey, Nipa. What are you saying? Nothing has happened. Listen, the fact that you came home safely that day means a lot to us.
Nipa, look, what's done is done. I suggest that both you and Shri forget the past. We've had enough of this. Please understand, Shri can still focus and work on her career. Why do you consider yourself guilty? Tell me. Huh? I don't know what's wrong with the people of this family. Disgusting.
Shri,
Won't you go with Nanda and Rajiv? Auntie has called you. Nanda? Nanda, isn't that right?
So what? Shri is not going to listen to us. About what to do. I am not as modern as all of you. Marriage means only one thing to me, a lifelong commitment. We may fight and have differences, but we can't disregard the commitment, right? But my siblings are completely different for me.
Hey, Nanda. Nanda, please don't be angry. Okay, Rajiv, can I request you something? Can we meet Aunt Sushmita after Siddharth and Mithai's divorce case is settled? I mean, there are a lot of problems going on. Dad is very furious with Siddharth. So, I think it's important for me to stay at home right now.
Fine. Okay then. I'll have a word with mom. Nanda, let's go. I won't take a leave without a reason. Let's go.
Hey, Nanda.